Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok account login failed error. If you're using TikTok and your account login is failed or you're having this type error issues, let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to open up your app store, or very first you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your cellular or Wi-Fi. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, so you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have that, you have to try to update your TikTok app. Open up your app store, go for search in the bottom right corner, and here you have to simply search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available in your TikTok app, or if you have any update here, you have to try to update your app. Once you have updated, retry to log in with your account, or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open up your settings, then go for general. Let's scroll down and look for VPN and device management. Tap on VPN, and here you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, you have to try to disconnect your VPN. Once you have that, you have to retry to log in, or if you're still having the same issue, open up your settings, go for general, and you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available. Sometimes it might be that your software is not up to date, so you might get these type issues. You have to update your system software, then retry, or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to open up your iPhone storage, go for TikTok, select offload app, or if you're on your Android, you have to open up your settings, go for apps, go for TikTok, then storage and cache, and from here you have to clear all cache and then clear storage. So you have to try to offload your app. Once you have uploaded, then tap on reinstall. You'll get the reinstall option here. You have to try to reinstall app, and then your issue will be fixed. Or if it doesn't, you have to try to make a force restart your phone. So sometimes it might be that your phones need a restart, so it cannot work regularly. It might be that you can easily find these type error when your phone meets a restart required. So you just have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. So let's try this. Quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. So let's try this again. And here you just have to wait for your screen goes fully black. It might take a while, so you have to wait for it. Once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it's restart. And once your phones restart, you can easily use your or log into your TikTok account without any issue. So in this way, you can easily fix if you are having any TikTok login account error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.